CR's going bananas in reusing. And you're watching Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. Oh, that was a good banana. But what to do with it now? Should I throw this out? Nah. I'll show you guys a way to do this. A way that you can reuse and recover this resource right here. Make some slits right here on the bottom. Like so. This side too. Make some strips here. Let this hang. And allow it to dry. And this will take about a couple days, anyways. Get into this. And from this, basically what I'm doing is literally chopping it up. And eventually dropping it. Get it? Back into the soil. And recovering this resource of the banana peel. And this will add some nutrients back into the ground. Whatever the banana peel still has in it. It's in a dry state now. You can actually keep it around for a little bit. And use it when you're ready to put it back into the ground. Just kind of feather it out, increase the surface area, it'll dry. There's something similar to this. But basically, I've increased the surface area so much now that, you know, the bugs, the microbes, the bacteria, the fungi can have some fun with it and break it down. And eventually, in time, feed the soil, which in turn can feed the plants. And just basically broadcast it out.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.